Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You begin by opening Roblox and signing in. Once logged in, head straight to your profile where featured or today's pics appear. You'll likely find pics under Creations or the Avatar Shop. Navigate there now. Make sure to use desktop if available since controls are clearer, but mobile also works. Look for the Edit or Manage button next to today's pics. Once located, you're ready to remove items. Follow the controls to enter edit mode, so you can unselect the unwanted pics. Now you should be in edit mode. You'll see each picked item with a deselect or remove option. Click the remove icon or uncheck selections for every item you want to delete. If items are part of a collection, expand the collection and remove individual pieces. Make sure to press save or confirm at the bottom. Roblox often requires a final confirmation to apply changes. Once saved, refresh your profile to verify the pics no longer appear and repeat if any remain. Finish by refreshing your profile and clearing your browser or app cache to ensure the updates display correctly. If the pics still show, make sure your Roblox app is current or switch to desktop since site tools differ. You can also try logging out and back in to force a sync. If none of these work, take screenshots of the issue and contact Roblox support explaining you removed today's pics, but they persist. Include steps you took so they can troubleshoot faster.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.